Hi guys, another bit of 3D printing repair work here. One of my tripods, this latch mechanism is what holds the, I can't remember what this piece is called, this bit that you screw your camera onto. That's the original one. I don't know if you can see, but the centerpiece has actually cracked out. Now I've super glued it in place, but I've done that once before, so I don't expect it to last terribly long. I think it probably lasted a couple of years since I glued it, but that was before I had a 3D printer. So this time I've just printed myself a replacement piece, and I'll just take it off so we can see it. It does need a tiny bit of work on it. I haven't made the countersink hole on the top deep enough so the screw isn't going in properly. I lift that off carefully because there is a spring underneath. There's the spring. That's quite a complicated design to copy, but I think I've got it more or less right. So apart from the fact the countersink hole is not deep enough, it's actually a little bit tight on there as well. There we go. In fact, I think I made it deep enough. It's just that the support layer that's printed there hasn't come out cleanly, so I need to clean that up. But I'm rather pleased with that because that actually works. I'll just put it back in again for now. I just took it off so you could see the detail underneath. So that goes in that hole. Yeah, that's a bit tighter than it should be. Yeah, need to sort that out on the top. Oh, I suppose I could have done it in black filament, but at the moment I've got white in there. That locks on nicely. And so does that, which is one of the ones for my action cameras. Oh, that way round. Yeah. Another one of my charity shop finds the tripod. In fact, all my tripods have come from charity shops over the years. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.